Someone asked me if I really do like, or is it just a shirt? I really do like, and it's not just a shirt. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting in my garden where I love to spend my mornings. Watering the flowers is a great way to connect with nature and unwind before diving into the kitchen. Spending time outdoors always inspires me to bring fresh, vibrant flavors into my cooking. In today's recipe, we'll be using Tajín, a popular Mexican seasoning blend known for its unique and tangy flavor. It consists of chili peppers, lime, and salt. This combination creates a spicy, sour, and slightly salty taste that enhances various dishes. Come along with me into the kitchen. First we'll clean up and then we'll cook at home this great spicy pork and rice dish that will lime you all over.
I walk miles to get to you, babe. I don't know why I can't see you there. I've tried to get there, but every day I fall back, and I just break my heart, babe. I've tried to get there, and I can stand the sorrow. I love you, but you do know. 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 I walk miles to get to you, babe. I don't know why I can't see you there. I've tried to get there, but every day I fall back, and I just break my heart, babe. I've tried to get there, and I can stand the sorrow. I love you, but you do know. 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 I've tried to get there, but every day I fall back, and I just break my heart, babe. I've tried to get there, and I can stand the sorrow. I love you, but you do know. I love you, but you do know. I love you, but you do know. I love you, but you do know.
Let's put on a pot of rice, 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. Let's saute 1/4 cup green peppers, 1/4 cup red peppers, and 1/2 cup chopped onion. Let's mix in 2 tablespoons of Tajín seasoning and 1 tablespoon of Goya Adobo all-purpose seasoning into 1/2 pound ground pork. Add 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes.